mail call time. Today is Sunday, so I'm a day late, but that's okay. Been busy. I've had my ups and downs, but my head's kind of together right now. Kind of. Yeah, that's kind of like how my brain's going, but let's do the mail call. And I'm just going to open up and show you the pen. That's it, because you're going to need to wait for the review so I can explain why. Okay? Can you do that? All right. Oh, when I talk about pens, I just go, you know how that is, don't you, Mr. Announcer?
Mm-hmm.
How am I, Mr. Announcer?
You're pensational.
Oh, really, Nano? Ningalagalo! Oh, here we go, folks. Right on. You know, I really don't give a darn what people think. As long as I'm happy with me, that's cool. I rock, baby. Remember a song by Ricky Nelson, decades ago. You can't please everyone, so you got to please yourself. Here we go. Here is a pen right here. Stunning, beautiful, and what do you think it is? You can leave your comments below. I'll try to hide the names. But anyway, that's it. Until my review on this pen, I want you guys to stay safe, stay warm, follow the rules. The virus here in Fort Worth has gotten about 328, which is really dynamite. It's getting lower. Hopefully, God willing, next Saturday, Mr. Announcer and I will go get our second shot of the
Moderna vaccine.
Modena, Madonna. Huh. All right, folks. God bless. Peace and love from me, Mr. Fantastic, Mr. Awesome, Mr. All Like That. I got a line on you. Later. Bye-bye.